Hi guys, what's up? Today we have oleander plant. You may or may not know about it. So this is for all my YouTubers. Basically, oleander plants are outdoor evergreen shrubs with beautiful flowers and height from 7 to 10 feet. And oleander plants are found in warm zones where temperature is from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. Basically, these guys are very tough guys. They can withstand difficult soil like high pH, severe pruning, high heat, drought, but they cannot survive freezing temperature. One of the most important thing is that if human or animal consume their leaves, that will be a very difficult situation. So you need to be very careful about that. Besides that, people generally used to keep this plant at their home because of its beauty. So to start this project, all you need to do is grab some branches of oleander plant. You need to take any branches, no need to worry about the branch. So here I have brought the branches in my room, cut the upper part. So here I have made the branches from 4 to 6 inches long. Similarly, do this for all the branches. Remove the lower leaves. Just cut the leaves like that. They can at least absorb some sunlight and make food for the branch. So here I'm making all the branches ready for my project. This is the mixture of 50% garden soil and 50% compost. Just mix that well and put it in a cup. Placing some branches in the cup like this. Press the soil so that they can be formed in the soil. I am trying in two different ways. Now I am placing some of the branches in the water so that I will show you which method is better for you guys. So checking after 20 days, you can see the branches that are in water, they are showing the remarkable growth. You can see the small bud has appeared and the lower portion of the branch is also expanding to grow new roots. Similarly, checking other branches, I placed all the branches, even the top of the branches also. All of them are really doing good. They have shown a pretty good amount of growth at the base from where roots will appear. But the branches in the soil, they have not done great. They seems just fine. They have not shown any growth at all. Keeping them like that at the side of the window where there is partial sunlight. So checking after 25 days, you can see those branches which are in water, they have grown more. The white roots are just about to appear from the base. Similarly, all other branches are also showing the remarkable growth. The top of the branches are also showing the growth. You don't have to throw any part of the branch, just dip all the part of the branch in the water and they will show good growth. So now I'm going to transplant these branches into the soil mixed with 60% of compost and 40% of the garden soil, and you can add some sand as well for their good drainage. Now I am gently pressing the soil, so this will help the new emerging roots to draw more nutrition and to grow fast. Let's speed up the work. Water them thoroughly so that they can be formed in the soil and ready to grow more vigorously. So checking after 40 days, you can see those branches in the soil, they have not done so good. I'm not satisfied with that result, but those guys which I have transplanted in the soil later on, they are really doing good. They have shown great growth. You can see that the branch is very healthy and you can see some roots inside the cup. Because of sunlight, some algae has appeared on the outside of the cup, but the roots are very fine inside. They are very healthy. Now you can keep them in the full sunlight. So checking after 55 days, you can see the growth is very fantastic. These plants are really doing good, and now you can see more dense network of roots inside the cup. Once these roots start hitting the base of the cup, you should think about planting them in the bigger part. Checking the other plants, you can see very nice new leaves. You can see the old leaves which I have cut, and you can see in these younger branches also doing really good inside the cup. But the guys which are in the soil at the early stage, they have not done any good. No roots, no growth, no nothing. The stem has also dried up. So I basically don't recommend this process to my YouTubers. Please follow the water method. Just dip them in the water and that will help you. You don't need any rooting hormone. You don't need anything. Just they will be good in the water. So leave them like that in the sunlight. So now checking after 70 days, you can see these branches have grown in a very nice way. They are now more taller and more healthy. I haven't done anything. I just used to water them when they seems little dried. So now let me show you guys how the network of the root has developed inside this cup. You can see the dense network of the root. It is really good. You see the soil is very loose. It's not very tight. Because of that also the roots can grow really fast. If the soil is very tight, the roots cannot grow really deep inside. You need to consider that thing as well. So to make the soil loose also, you need to add some coarse sand in it, and the roots can develop really fast. Let me wash the roots so that you can see it in a beautiful way. Don't worry, the plants are really fine. I'm just removing the water. So here you can see that just from the base of the branch, the cluster of roots has appeared, and they are really doing good till now. I have distributed some of the branches, some of the plants to my friends, and here some of the branches my brother is planting in the pot, and he is also learning gardening. I am really enjoying this one. Because of my project, he is also inspired to do some gardening things. It's awesome. Look at him doing the project. Okay, now these plants are ready for the further growth. Now watering them up, and they are ready for their new journey. And here are some hibiscus branches. I will show you how you can grow the hibiscus plant in the next project. Keep watching, my friends. So checking after 120 days or after 4 months, you can see these plants are really doing good. Oleander new branches has grown quite good. Since they are a little bit small, they will have a little bit slower growth, but you don't need to worry. Slowly they will be taller, and they will give good amount of flowers in this pot as well. But making a larger flower, you need to plant them in the garden, and they will grow like this up to 10 feet in 3 to 4 years. In this way, friends, you can have your own oleander plant at your home. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you at all like this one, please do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you again.